Introducing this beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE conversion van. Offering an LSH van's rear entry half-cut manual fold-out ramp system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 67,000 miles. Easily fold in or out your manual ramp. Secure it into place and you're good to go. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.